Imagine a world where all employees start their jobs with the necessary skills, knowledge, and expertise. A world where there is no need for employee training. Seems like utopia, doesn't it? But let me tell you something, such a world does not exist. In the real business world, training is a non-negotiable aspect of success. Welcome to today's video where we explore the importance of employee training in business. 1. Understanding the importance of employee training in a business. Every organization, regardless of its size and industry, should understand that employee training is not a luxury but a necessity. Through training, employees can develop new skills, improve their performance, increase productivity, and become more flexible in their operations. Not only that, a well-trained employee is likely to be more satisfied and motivated, leading to lower employee turnover. 2. Key components of an effective employee training program. An effective employee training program is more than just a series of courses. It's a strategic plan that includes clear objectives, a tailored curriculum, expert trainers, practical exercises, evaluations, and continuous improvements. Remember, what works for one organization might not work for another. Hence, always design your training program based on your specific business needs and employee preferences. 3. The role of technology in modern employee training. Technology has revolutionized the way we train our employees. From online courses, virtual reality simulations, to mobile learning apps, technology offers countless opportunities for flexible, personalized, and cost-effective training. More than that, technology can also help track and evaluate employees' progress, making it easier for businesses to refine their training programs. 4. A brief discussion on on-site versus off-site employee training. Choosing between on-site and off-site training can be tricky. On one hand, on-site training, where employees are trained in the workplace, is convenient and cost-effective. On the other hand, off-site training, where employees are sent to external training venues, offers a change of environment which can enhance learning and networking. The best choice depends on your specific circumstances and resources. 5. How to design a comprehensive employee training plan. Designing an employee training plan requires careful planning and execution. It starts with identifying your training needs, setting clear objectives, developing a suitable curriculum, delivering the training, and finally, evaluating the results. It's also crucial to get feedback from your employees and make necessary improvements to your plan. 6. Measuring the impact of employee training on business performance. Firstly, you need to identify key performance metrics for your business. These may include sales volume, customer satisfaction, or productivity levels. Once training is completed, compare these metrics to pre-training levels to see if there's a significant change. Another way to gauge the impact of training is by monitoring employee engagement and retention rates. Well-trained employees are typically more engaged and likely to stay with the company. A decrease in turnover and an increase in employee satisfaction typically suggest the training was effective. Assessing the quality of work before and after training is also a good indicator. If employees are making fewer mistakes and their work quality improves, this suggests the training was successful. Finally, don't forget to consider the financial performance of the business. An increase in profits or a reduction in costs associated with errors or inefficiencies could be a direct result of effective training. 7. The role of leadership in the success of employee training programs. Leaders are instrumental in fostering a culture of continuous learning. They not only endorse the importance of training but also actively participate in these programs, setting an example for their teams. This involvement demonstrates that learning and development are valuable to the company, thereby. Another key area where leadership plays a crucial role is in clearly defining the training objectives. Leaders help set the direction for the training, ensuring it aligns with the company's wider goals. This clarity helps employees understand the value and relevance of the training to their roles and the organization as a whole. 8. Understanding the challenges in implementing employee training programs. One of the most common challenges faced by businesses in implementing training programs is the allocation of time and resources. Creating and executing a substantial training program requires a significant investment of both. Another significant challenge is the resistance to change. It's human nature to prefer the familiar and resist what's new or unknown. This resistance can manifest in various ways, such as lack of participation, negative attitudes, or even open opposition to the training program. Creating training content that is relevant and engaging to all employees can be a tricky task. Each employee has unique learning styles, job roles, and levels of expertise. Balancing these differences while keeping everyone engaged can be quite the challenge. 9. Overcoming the challenges. There are strategies and solutions available to overcome each one. For instance, technology can help streamline the training process, reducing the time and resources required. Furthermore, involving employees in the planning process can help reduce resistance to change and ensure the training content is relevant and engaging. Remember, the goal is not to avoid these challenges, but to understand and prepare for them. This way, you can implement a training program that not only benefits your employees but also contributes to the overall success of your business. Employee training is not just about improving skills and knowledge. It's about empowering your employees so they can contribute to the success of your business. So, invest in your most valuable asset, your people. To wrap up, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep learning and stay productive.